Given two vectors u and v with the magnitude of u vector is 4, find the value of the magnitude of u vector plus 2v vector in the following cases. A. V vector is negative 3 times u vector. So it is given u vector and its magnitude or its length is 4 units. And what does it mean that v vector is negative 3 times u vector? It means that u vector is in opposite direction to u, and it's, if one vector is constant times another vector, it means that this vector is parallel to another vector and its magnitude is 3 times larger. It means length is 3 times larger. So v vector will be in opposite direction and its length is 12. And hence, since we need 2v, it will be in the same direction as just v, but its length is 24. And if we consider a vector which is the sum of two vectors, since these two vectors are parallel, it's like two forces acting on the object, and 24 to the left and 4 to the right, definitely that the resultant force is 20 to the left, or the sum of two vectors is the vector which is 20 units to the left, but we need magnitude only, and it's clear that magnitude is 20 units. B. U and V are perpendicular, and V is the magnitude of V vector is 3 times the magnitude of U vector. So again, given U vector and its length is 4, and V is perpendicular to U vector, and length of V vector is 3 times larger. So V vector, its length is what? 12. But again, since we need 2V, it will be in the same direction as V, but its length will be what? 24. And we need what? U vector plus 2V vector. It's what? It's a sum of two vectors. And how to find a vector which is the sum of two vectors? We can see that we can apply what? Parallelogram rule for the sum. We draw parallelogram, and diagonal, it's a vector which is equal to u vector plus 2v vector. And since we need magnitude of this vector, we can consider triangle and just find the hypotenuse. So we can see that the required magnitude, it's what? It's just a square root of what? 24 squared plus 4 squared. 24, it's 6 squared times 4 squared. 24 squared is 6 squared times 4 squared plus 4 squared. We can factor out 4 squared, which becomes just 4 times the root of what? 6 squared, 36 plus 1, 37. So the final answer is 4 times root of 37. And it's all for this question.